Big Bang Theory. How the universe was made.
What is this? I can tell you. Well, the Big Bang Theory is the idea that a singularity was there at the very beginning and it exploded, releasing matter in all directions. That matter clumped together to form all the space objects we know today. It's rather fascinating when you think about it. The singularity just appeared and everything was dependent on it exploding. Though there are other theories. The oscillating theory is that one day the universe will reach its peak of expansion and fall back on us, creating the same singularity it started from and repeating like that. Imagine, we could be the nth case. And then there is the steady state theory where the universe will keep expanding at the same rate planets and stars become unobservable, maintaining a constant average density. Okay, there's a theory for the universe. What about the solar system? Oh, that's the nebular theory. In the beginning, it was a cloud of dust and gas. The cloud started spiraling, getting faster and faster. In the middle of it all, the atoms collided to form our star. That explosion blew all the lighter, gas materials farther from it, creating our gas giants. The rocky, heavier materials were only blown away a little before staying in place, gravity making them collide to form our rocky planets. The basis for these theories to even be considered would be that it obeys the laws of physics, or it would be too outlandish to be true. Then how does physics tie into all of this? Well, gravity pulls all things to the center of mass. It's also how the rocky planets formed, so that's important to remember. Newton's first law can also be applied to the expansion of the universe because the universe will keep expanding until something stops it, which further backs up the Big Bang Theory. There are also multiple representations of the solar system, which show how far we've come in astronomy. Then how many representations are there? Well, there are two. The heliocentric and geocentric model. Back when we first learning the basics of astronomy, we thought that the sun was orbiting us. So we made a model called the geocentric, showing Earth as the center of the solar system. When we started to learn more about space, we figured out that we were the ones orbiting the sun. We then made the heliocentric model, showing that the sun was the center of the solar system. To this day, we use the heliocentric model to think we thought we were the center. How do we think of theories or even know anything about space or our Earth? We use technology. Not like we can go into space by ourselves and study the mysteries of it. We use satellites to study our planet, rovers to study the surface of other planets, and telescopes to see things far out in space. We even found evidence of water on the moon with a telescope. These things are helping us learn so much, it's hard to imagine we could ever make the same discoveries without them. Well, my shift is about to change. I hope you learned something about space. Bye for now.